Bristol, we are preparing to enter the hydraulic fittings market this year. In order to test the market demands, I have compiled an order that includes 4 series and sizes of metric, British, and Americano hydraulic fittings, with the quantity of 10 to 20 pieces each. It's best to receive the goods within 1 month. I will give you 2 days to find the best supplier and execute it immediately.
Okay, I will. Mrs. He, I have found a very powerful factory. Here is their company data report. And they guarantee to print the goods within 15 working days and also provide a video inspection service.
Very good. Please order with them immediately.
If you are a trader in hydraulic fitting industry, mechanical parts industry, fastener industry, or hardware parts industry, if you need hydraulic fittings, please contact me.